Hi there, students. Foolproof. Okay, foolproof is an adjective. If something is foolproof, it's simple and easy to understand, and it can't go wrong. You can't use it wrongly. It's just so obvious that you've got to get it right. Okay, so I don't know, my recipe for making mayonnaise is absolutely foolproof. It works every time. Maybe. Okay, so something that is foolproof, yeah, it's something that, a machine that just cannot go wrong. You can't misuse it. You can't use it wrongly. Or a plan could be foolproof. Yeah, the plan just can't go wrong. Okay, it's designed so that something is really easy to do, or a machine that's really easy to operate, and there's no room for error. There's no possibility of making a mistake or using it wrongly, or it failing. Yeah, but well, foolproof. Yeah, if somebody says something is foolproof, I don't believe them, because they've even got a saying that nothing is foolproof, because fools are very inventive. Yeah, and I think if something is foolproof, it's incapable of going wrong. It's unfailing. It's unerring. It works unerringly. It's absolutely reliable. Yeah, you can depend on it absolutely. Yeah, so there's no opportunity, no possibility of failure. Yeah, so people are always looking for a foolproof way to make money. If you see an advertisement telling you that this is a foolproof way method of making money, and send us £10 and we'll send you the method, well, the foolproof method of making money is the one they're using, not the one they're going to send you. Yeah, or maybe they just tell you to do exactly what they're doing. So something that's foolproof, a foolproof machine, is well designed. It's easy to use. It's easy to understand. You can't use it wrongly. Yeah. So it's something that's safe. It's guaranteed. It's surefire. It's certain to work, because it's proof against failure. It's infallible. Yeah, because proof, it means resistant to. Yeah, it's safe against. So if something is safe against fools, then even a fool can't get it wrong. That's the idea, but maybe they can. Okay, so foolproof. Formality, I would give this a 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from, as I said, proof of fools. It's so something, it's safe against, yeah, against fools. And it probably comes from French, this proof. And then the fool comes from French as well. Folle, meaning a fool. From Latin, follis, meaning mad and madness. Okay, so a foolproof method of learning English. Go and live in London for 20 years. It's a foolproof method. Not even, because there are people who stay with or spend all their time with people who speak their own language. But foolproof. Nothing is foolproof. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Foolproof.